just a lot of things going on at the background, literally. So this weekend I decided to just go to the grocery, get some basic things that I would eat this weekend, because I don't plan to cook a lot, because I realized that 2 weeks ago I wasn't at home and I reduced the temperature of my fridge and freezer, which left my food spoiled. I don't have that energy to cook and then not going to eat it because it's going to get spoiled at the end of the day. So I'm trying to cook for this weekend, hopefully later in the week, because I don't know what my plans of working this summer is. I know I'm going to be working, but I don't know if I want to stay at my workplace during the week or I want to be going from my house during the week. I would see what schedule in school looks like, and then that will determine what I'm going to be doing like during this next week, coming week, and all of that. Then after I feel, yeah, I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to later probably film the process. I don't know, but yeah, then after I get back from Lenta, I'm going to pick up stuff that I bought on Wildberries, and yeah, but this is 4 p.m. I've not eaten all day. I know you guys will say, what is wrong with this girl? You're not always eating every time you're coming to vlog. But the thing is, weekends are always very busy for me. I work Monday to Fridays. Weekends I come home and I get to study a little bit. I get to clean up. I get to do a lot of things. So like today I woke up pretty late. I think I woke up like around 8:23 or 8 something. I do not really remember, but I know it was in the middle of 12:30. That's when I woke up, and I decided, so I was supposed to go to school for a volunteering thing today, but I ended up not going because that guy, I was asking him what time the event was going to start and I wasn't answering. That he responded after the event. I said, and I'm like, I'm not going again. So I cancelled that, and then I was saying, and then my train of thoughts, yeah, I forgot what I was saying. So I decided to just clean up the old room. I mean, you know, like in my previous video I cleaned the room, but today I just like finished tidying it up, cleaned, mopped, washed the restroom, everything literally. Yeah, so now let's just see what happens. See you guys later, or see you guys at the grocery store. So actually I'm all supposed to go to a pharmacy to get a particular drug. I checked online, I did not see, so I want to see if I'm not like typing in the right name in Russian. So I'm just going to go to a store, show them the picture of the drug and buy literally. But if not, I'll see what I can do to it. So I'm done with grocery shopping, and I saw this massage chair on the 3rd floor and I decided to come and use it. So let's see if it's worth it at the end of the day. I don't know, but this is my first time using it too. It look good. I feel like this is working. So I'm done buying stuff. I'm trying done here. So I'm waiting for my taxi. It's gonna be here in like 1 minute. And then I'll be going home, then I'll cook. Bye guys. So follow me to pick the last thing I'm picking for the day. So I'm heading to wildberries. Like I'm just some steps away from wildberries now. Just pick my stuff. I'll go back home. I started cooking when I checked time. I said it was almost 9. So I picked it up. I didn't even know they were like this. I knew it was a lot, but I bought a fan because, bro, the heat that has been killing someone in this. So I bought a fan. I thought it was a standing fan, but past it was a table fan. So now I have to. So I told them I didn't want it, but they said it's an irrevocable item, which means that I cannot return it. This is quite weird. Like, why can't can't I return it? I don't want it, but I don't have a choice than to stick with it. Someone should tell me why I run. It's because no car was coming, and the traffic light has refused to turn green, and it's drizzling. But anyways, see you guys later. Just like doing things off camera. Maybe I just forget, but like this is the parsley, this is the pepper, garlic, onion, mushroom. I finished cooking jollof rice. I want to blend the strawberry. This is the chicken. So now start cooking the pasta. So yeah, I had this leftover strawberries in my fridge, and I had to blend it with milk, and that's what I'll be having as juice tonight. That's what I'll be having as juice tonight, because my pasta did not come out well, so therefore I did not vlog it. But that chicken is boiled, and then the last batch is inside the air fryer. So let me tell you guys that this is 12 a.m. in the middle of the night, and this chicken is not done. I don't know, to be honest. So I didn't know that I was supposed to turn the chicken while it was in the oven. But you know, the funny thing is, I actually tried, like when it was done the first time, the upper one was done, the lower one was not done, like it wasn't even cooked at all. So I moved the lower one to the upper part, and moved the upper part to the lower part. Then I should have actually turned the upper part, the one I moved down. But now, so I cooked again for the second time, right? And now I'm done cooking for the second time, only for me to find out that because I did not turn the chicken, so the other side of the chicken wasn't grilled, it wasn't given. So now I've turned it and I've put it in the whatever bag. I don't know when I'm gonna leave here. Let me check. So I don't know when I'm gonna leave here. It's supposed to be for 40 minutes, right? This is 12:25, so it means 1 o'clock. I'll go and sit in my room and I'll work on my presentation for Monday, then pray and prepare for tomorrow's service. And that's what I'm just gonna do. You know what is funny, guys? I've not really used my phone today. Quite impressive, because I can say for a fact I'm a phone addict, and I've not really used it today, except for the times I was vlogging when I had to post for my friend's birthday and Pastor Kate's birthday. But aside from those times, I've not literally used my phone, and that's how it has been all through this week. I don't know if I'm changing or not, but it's a good thing. Anyways, I think I have to go to the room to what? I have to go to the room to work on my paper, my slides precisely. So no time is gonna be wasted. Alright guys, see you when I start preparing my slides. Now I'm thinking if I want to prepare the slides in my laptop, because I use Canva for my slides presentation, but I don't know what VPN to download on my laptop that would help me use Canva, because I need a VPN to access Canva. So anyways, see you guys. But guys, it was a very good day. I really enjoyed today. Like, I didn't do anything in particular, but I just enjoyed today. Like, I did not do any extracurricular activities. It was just a great day, and I'm happy. Anyways, let me see if I can catch up with my sister tonight. If not, maybe tomorrow after service. Tomorrow I want to sleep early. Anyways, let's see. Hey guys, so now that the day has ended, I thought that the day has not ended yet, because I've not gone back to the kitchen to check the meat. So I said, let me unbox the stuff I got. So this is the fan I said I got, that they said is not returnable. Let's see. So see guys, so I think I would even have to like charge it first before I can use. So how, please you people, how will this fan serve me? So guys, you know the funny thing right now is the fact that you have to be charging it while you're using this fan. Anyway, this is one of the things I got. It doesn't serve, I'm going to return it either way. I'm going to write a complaint to the guys like on Wildberries. Then I bought this vanilla flavor extract. Tell my scissors. Who Who likes bubble wrap like me? I love bubble wraps. I think that's one thing that even gingers me to buy stuff on wildberries. So I got these 3 vanilla extracts for I think 100 rubles. I don't think it's up to 100 rubles, but yeah. Why is it half bottle? Can you guys see? Why? So I got that. So the headset I was using before, got spoiled in January while I was in Faith House. So and I've not had a new headset since then. So I bought a new one and it was cheap. I've added it to my cart since, because when I saw it, like back then in China, it was like 1,000 and something. And I remember that the one that got spoiled, I did not buy it at that price. So I just left it in my cart, and then I checked it and I saw OT reduced. So I think I got it for like 600 or something. That was the price I got the first one. So I have a new headset. If you know me, you will know that I'm obsessed with shoes. I'm very obsessed with footwears. I feel like it's just God that's been helping me, because I'm that kind of person that will use my last 1 hour. So there's this New Balance sneakers and Nike sneakers that I added to my cart. Hopefully it goes down soon. I want to wear it during a boot camp. So you guys heard it here first. I'm going for a boot camp. So I mean, you'd be wondering what is a boot camp. A boot camp is like an annual conference in my church, my home church in Nigeria. So that's if you watch the video to this point, sha. I'm going for a boot camp. These are red sneakers. I don't know why I bought a red sneakers, but I would assume and give myself the benefit of doubt that I knew what I was doing when I bought it. I think I know why I bought it. I think it's because it was cheap. Okay, so it is summer, and if you look at me like this, I don't like it. So therefore, I went to buy biker shorts. So if you invite me to any outing, any outdoor outing this summer, best believe I'm wearing a biker shorts to your events. I'm wearing a biker shorts to your event if you invite me. But I don't know why it is grey. I thought I ordered black. This is problem. If you invite me to an outdoor event, best believe I'm wearing a biker shorts to your event. My dormitory people said they are having barbecue hangouts soon. Definitely wearing these biker shorts there. I don't know where they want to do the event, but if it's far, I might not go, because right now I don't like stress. Again, I hope it's a weekend, because weekdays I definitely won't be able to attend. This thing gives me so much joy. These books. Got a sunshade because the sun in Moscow will blind your eyes. Like, it's even giving me a headache to start with. So let's see. Well, it's not bad, to be honest. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this glass, but it doesn't look bad at all. Here, I think that's all the things I got from wildberries. So further notice, every month I put like 3,000, 4,000 in my wildberries cart to be able to buy stuff for the month. So once I reach 4,000, that's the end for that month. So this is for the month of May. That's the end of this video. See you guys. Thank you for joining with me in today's video. Please, if you've watched the video to this extent, to this point, like you've watched it, please subscribe. Please, like, just subscribe. I think the subscribe button is here. Just subscribe, please. I'm begging you. Please just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And do not forget to like, do not forget to share, don't forget to comment and turn on your post notification bell to get notified every time and anytime I post a new video. Bye guys.